Excited at the prospect of exploring this that my expectations twisted it, that I was only expecting something of the marvelous to happen. And so, with a couple glow sticks in my backpack, a flashlight, a bit of water, I took my first step forward into the core of terror itself. It read as following: Carnate, the tormentor, devourer of all things, father of all misery, glared at me out of the blackness. I've never felt anything so horrible. Suddenly, a monstrous hand with claws and red skin erupted out of the pit and slammed itself on the ground in front of me, inches from my face. The horrible presence wafted over me. I felt myself black out. And when I woke up, I was face to face with it. No mortal words can describe the horror that loomed above me, but I'll do my best.